Meaning of fetish.
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 Fetish. A fetish is an object or body part that someone finds sexually arousing or appealing. It can also refer to an excessive or irrational devotion to a particular thing or idea. In the sexual context, fetishes can range from common ones like leather or feet to more obscure ones like balloons or food. For some individuals, indulging in their fetishes might be a necessary component of their sexual expression, while for others it can be considered a taboo. Ultimately, fetishes vary greatly from person to person and are deeply personal.